Hey guys, today's Thursday, April the 13th of 2023, and I want to go over the energy, metals, and the dollar, and a little surprise from Cameco CCJ. So without any further delay, let's get into it. As we can see, crude is still chugging along, right above 82.71. Let's see if we can get a weekly close above that, but so far it's looking good, very strong. You can see that it consolidates and then gets a nice little pop. Everything is looking good, maybe a little divergence here, but other than that, price action is king. Is pushing higher. I would just caution, this pattern I'm noticing when it was 2 days above, and then on the third day, it tanked. So right now, you on 2 days above, and today's the third day. So if that pattern plays out, and it's going to do this, just be cautious. Just keep an eye on the 4 hours. You can see right here. If it starts getting weak, strong. If it starts getting weaker, fast, then that could probably play out because they did that trap here on the weekly. Is that the daily? Yeah, that is the daily. So 2 days above and then head fake, then down. So that pattern could play out here. Crude, I don't know if that pattern is going to play out because we really just been consolidating here. So just been going sideways and we're kind of sticking our head out, but who knows? They're all going to do the same thing. We don't know. Natural gas, nice little pop, pulled back in chop zone between the mobile bands. So it's good. It's healthy. It's oscillating, a little tug and war with bulls and bears. Histogram is looking good. Today, I believe, is a positive day regards trading day. So that's good. We're at 211, 212. Yeah, so I'll look at that later at the end. And then heating gas, it's like the squeeze play. It looks like it's still to the upside from here. Daily still positive. We got to look for a 277. And then the 4 hours looking good too. Excuse me for my allergies. I think I've been getting hit with it last night, and it's already affected me today. Taking my Zyrtex and Flonase. Let's go to gold real quick. Got a wave pattern here. Could be an ABC, but so far it's looking good. Everything is looking good. Pullback, buy on the pullback, buy on the pullback, pop, buy on the pullback, pop, and it'll probably be doing that for a while. Because I think the dollar's going down and gold is going to be going up. It's going to go test 220.78. Once it gets there, there's a strategy that people say, once it hits the double top, short it. So once we hit that, there could be some pressure right away coming in because there's going to be people piling in to go short. So we'll see. But if it holds and it pulls back and then it pushes higher, squeeze out the shorts, it's going to push even higher. But so far, that's the target, 2078. And silver chugging along. Look at the is this a 4 hour? Oh, this is the daily. Actually, this is the daily and this is the weekly. So everything looks good. Daily looks good. Target to the upside. If we could close above 25.58, your next target will be 27.50. And that looks like it wants to head there. And if it kisses that and continues, 28.90. Heating oil, oscillating 411. So as long as it's between, 435 and 382 and back and forth between 47 and 48, I think it's healthy. It's just consolidating, waiting for the bigger move. But people, when it pulls back, they accumulate. They say this is not the place you want to get in, trading, because it's not has determined, where it wants to go yet. I learned that from MSJ. He said, wait for the real breakout and then pile in, but you got to be cautious for head fakes where they tell you they're going to go there, but then they really want to take it down there. So it's kind of one of those things you just got to be on top of your game. But this is the weekly. Once you close above 435, then that's going to be looking good because it's going to test these higher levels, 483, 491, all the way to $5. And palladium, so far is looking good. PPS buy signal trending. Looks like it wants to test anywhere between that 1074. The daily's looking good. It's like pushing a higher, grinding. It's in a squeeze play, but the pressure looks like it's to the upside. So we'll see how that is. Let's go look at the surprise visit. Cameco, one stock I haven't been trading in a while, but I've been watching it. And today, guess what it is? Today's the anniversary. today's price action equals the high of the April 13th high of 32.49, and that's going to be today. So if you look at today's 413 high, 32.49, look at today's price action where it's going to open the 1 year anniversary. It's not doing too great. It's just consolidating in this range. You can see that every time this is trend line, every time it goes up there, they knock it down. So let's see what price action brings to us since it's our anniversary in regards to the crude Cameco. I'm on the sidelines. I'm not trading it. I'm just watching. I'm watching uranium spot, uranium futures, just to see what goes on there. Once I see that uranium spot closes, stays above that 45 and continues trekking along, and I got to look at futures, then it's going to give me some more incentive to study it more and maybe build a position. But as of right now, I'm on the sidelines. The dollar. I'm waiting for the dollar to get to 98 so I could decide what I'm going to do. This is a key level right here. You want to keep an eye on this whole little area right here, 101.52, and this swing pivot low of 100. If this holds, great. If it pushes lower, like a capitulation thing, 98, 99, 98, that's going to, pop silver and gold and all that. And then I think right there is where I probably want to build a position or, do the inverse trade. Look at price action with gold and maybe, either short it or something inverse because I think the dollar's going to find support and then it's going to surprise everybody. But that's how I'm looking at it on there. All right, I got 7 minutes. I'm going to end it with natural gas. So far, everything is looking positive here. We pulled back in here. Hockey stick. And the Bears got us yesterday. They were very strong. Very, very strong. They're above the 20 moving average, so volume is kicking in. And, the Bears got us. This is what I call crunch time. And let's see where we close today. If we could close above 216, that'd be great. Let's look at our levels. Key levels to watch would be 215. We're over here. And if it's a head fake down, 203 all the way to 199 is support. The good thing is that we're above the 50% of the previous week, which is 209, so that's good. Now we got to get above 215. And if we could push higher, then 219 could be a possible target. Yeah, that'd be the realistic target right there. 215 and then 219. So far, this has been support. A few things. Let's look at our calendar real quick before we end this video. So I changed some things here because I got confused when I did my last video. I was seeing some weird days. So these are weekdays. This weekday is positive. This was negative, 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 and positive. Now, in regards to trading day, we already know Monday was strong. Tuesday's weak. Wednesday was a little weak. And then Thursday, this could be trading day. It could be possible, strength to the upside. And then this one's the best day because this one you have the weekday and you got the trading day that are positive. So Friday, if we kind of go sideways here, over here, just got to go like sideways here. And if Friday comes, it could be possible that they pop it really strong all the way to like, maybe 224, 225, and then maybe stall there. One other thing I wanted to show you, if I have it, maybe I don't. Let's see, maybe I don't. The VWAP 213. That's it. And there's a value area low right here of 209. There's another value area low 216. As long as we could get above those things, we should be groovy. I think that's it for me. Yep. So those are the levels. Those are things you want to keep an eye on. And as long as we can not go below 205 and close above 215 and get to 219, we're back in the zone. Nice little pop. Pull back. As long as we can hold a lot of support here. We could push higher. I'm going to see that it's going to be a lot of resistance, 224. And then 230. I've been saying that's where the bears. It's going to be major resistance. And we're going to close above that. It'll be amazing. I'm going to sign out. Hopefully you like this video. I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on the dollar, metals, and the energy sector.